Our company proposes the introduction of a new line of a premium cassava chips, a delicious and healthy snacks option for health-conscious consumers. These chips are made from high-quality cassava root, seasoned with natural spices and processed to ensure light, crispy, and texture with increasing demand for gluten-free. A nutritious alternative to traditional snacks food, our cassava chips are positioned captured significant share of the healthy snack market. Our company overview is cassava chip is dedicated to providing innovative, nutritious, and high-quality food products that meet the growing demand for healthier snacks options. We have a strong commitment to sustainability, sourcing ingredients and responsibility, and in ensuring that the highest product standard.
Product overview. Gluten-free. Ideal for those with dietary restrictions or sensitive. Nutritious. Rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, providing a healthier snack option. Natural ingredients. No preservatives, artificial colors. Variety or flavors. Available in range of exciting flavors, salt and vinegar, and cheese flavor. Sustainable. We prioritize eco-friendly packaging and sustainable sourcing practices. Target market. Our primary target market includes health-conscious individuals, customers looking for nutritious, low-calorie lungs, people with dietary restrictions, those seeking gluten-free or plant-based alternative, all stages of age, since this cassava chips is made from natural ingredients. Snack enthusiasts, individuals who enjoy premium flavorful snacks without compromising on health.
Our main focus for distribution will be the retailers. These include grocery stores, supermarket, and online platforms that are looking to expand their snack offering. By positioning our cassava chips as a healthy guilt snack, we aim to ensure placement in these retail spaces and gain strong market visibility. To ensure our cassava chips stand out in the market, we have 4 marketing strategies. First is brand positioning. We will highlight the health benefits and natural ingredients of our cassava chips and promoting them as a premium guilt-free snack that fits today's health-conscious consumers. Second, social media campaigns. We will leverage platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook to connect with health-focused communities and influencers, increasing awareness and engagement for our brand. Third, sampling and events. To encourage trial, we will offer samples at health and wellness events, fitness centers, and wellness retreats, allowing potential consumers experience the quality of our product firsthand. Fourth, partnership. We build strong relationship with retailers and e-commerce platform to ensure that our product reaches a wider audience and become easily accessible to consumers.
Operations and logistics. Business structure. Sole proprietorship. Best for small-scale startups, easy to manage. Partnership. If you have a business partner to share capital and responsibilities. Corporation. Cooperative. If you plan to expand and attract investors. Supply chain. Raw materials. Supplier. Local cassava farmers or your own farm. Best variety high-starch cassava for crispier chips. Production process. Sourcing. Buying cassava. Washing and peeling. Cleaning the roots. Slicing. Thin slices for a crispy texture. Drying, frying, depending on your preferred texture. Seasoning and flavoring. Cheese, salt, and vinegar. Packaging, airtight and eco-friendly packaging. Storage and inventory. Maintain the right moisture level to keep chips crispy. Use FIFO, first in, first out method to ensure freshness. Distribution and logistics, direct selling, online platforms, Shopee, Lazada, Facebook Marketplace, retail partnerships, mini-marts, sari-sari stores, supermarkets, book orders, resellers and distributors, delivery options, Grab, GNT, or your own delivery service.
Basic cost estimation, expense category, cost per pack, raw materials, cassava oil, seasoning, 3 pesos, packaging, plastic, pouch, label, seal, 2 pesos, labor, own effort, 1.50, utilities, gas, electricity, water, 1 peso. Transportation and distribution, 1 peso. Miscellaneous, wastage, marketing, others, 0.50. Total cost per pack is 9 pesos. Estimate profit per pack, selling price 10 pesos. Per total cost, 9 pesos. Profit per pack is 1 pesos.
Total model, a daily production and portability. So let's assume we produce and sold 200 product per day. Daily sales, 200 pack times 10, na siya'y 2,000. Daily cost, 200 pack times 9, so na siya'y 1,800. Daily profit, 200. Monthly and annual profit, estimation. If we sold 200 packs per day, we operating 30 days per month. So we have time frame. Daily, our revenue is 2,000. Cost, 1,800. Profit, 200. Monthly, 60,000. Cost, 54. Profit, 6,000. Yearly, revenue, 720,000. Cost, 648,000. And profit is 72,000. So, annual profit, 72. Including expansion, scaling, or additional market cost. Key challenges and risk management. One of the key challenges is the cassava chip business is ensuring a consistent supply of quality raw materials, as cassava is perishable and seasonal. Additionally, high production costs due to oil prices, packaging, and labor can affect profitability. Market competition, which establish snacks, brand, and maintaining products, freshness during storage and distribution are all concerned. To manage this risk, it's crucial to build a strong relationship with multiple suppliers, implement an efficient inventory and cost management, and invest in a proper storage solutions, expanding the distribution channels, ensuring strict quality control, and adapting competitive pricing, and also help sustain portability and market growth. So that's all our presentation, business plan to our product. We are Group 3. Thank you and God bless.